The endocrine system is a complex network of glands and organs that produce, store, and secrete hormones, chemical messengers that regulate many of the body's functions. Hormones are vital for maintaining homeostasis, which is the body's internal balance, and they influence processes such as growth, metabolism, reproduction, and mood. Unlike the nervous system, which uses electrical signals to transmit messages rapidly along neurons, the endocrine system relies on hormones that travel through the bloodstream to reach their target cells and organs. Hormones are produced by endocrine glands, such as the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, pancreas, and gonads, ovaries and testes. Each hormone is specific to certain types of cells, which have receptors that can recognize and bind to the hormone. Once a hormone binds to its receptor, it triggers a response within the cell, which can lead to a variety of effects depending on the type of hormone and the target tissue. For example, insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps regulate blood sugar levels by signaling cells to take up glucose from the blood. Thyroxine, produced by the thyroid gland, regulates metabolism by influencing how cells use energy. The release of hormones is typically regulated by feedback mechanisms. In a negative feedback loop, when the level of a particular hormone reaches a certain point, it signals the gland to reduce or stop further production of that hormone, maintaining a stable environment within the body. This regulation ensures that hormone levels remain within a range that supports optimal bodily functions. The endocrine system and the nervous system both play crucial roles in communication within the body, but they do so in different ways. The nervous system is fast and precise, using electrical impulses to convey messages along neurons, leading to almost instantaneous responses, such as moving your hand away from a hot surface. In contrast, the endocrine system is slower because hormones must travel through the bloodstream to reach their targets. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to several hours, depending on the distance between the gland and the target cells, as well as the specific function of the hormone. The slower response time of hormones is particularly suited for processes that require long-term regulation rather than immediate action. For instance, hormones control growth and development over years, regulate metabolism over hours or days, and maintain reproductive cycles over weeks or months. Because of their prolonged effects, hormones are ideal for managing gradual changes in the body, such as puberty, stress responses, or pregnancy. Another key difference between the two systems is that the effects of the nervous system are generally short-lived, ceasing as soon as the electrical signal stops, while the effects of hormones can be long-lasting. For example, adrenaline, a hormone released by the adrenal glands in response to stress, can remain in the bloodstream for several minutes, continuing to affect heart rate and energy levels even after the initial stressor has passed. In contrast, the nervous system's response to the same stressor, such as the immediate feeling of panic, subsides almost as soon as the threat is removed. The integration of the endocrine and nervous systems is critical for overall body function. The hypothalamus, a part of the brain, acts as a bridge between the two systems, receiving signals from the nervous system and, in turn, controlling the release of hormones from the pituitary gland. This interaction ensures that the body can respond appropriately to both immediate and long-term challenges, maintaining a stable internal environment and allowing for adaptation to changing conditions. In summary, the endocrine system uses hormones as chemical messengers to regulate various bodily functions over a longer period, complementing the fast-acting, short-lived responses of the nervous system. While both systems are essential for communication within the body, they operate in different ways to ensure that the body can respond to both immediate needs and long-term changes, maintaining health and balance.